fuck. I told you!
I know!
Okay? I
know!
Called it! God damn it!
Shit!
Why do we have to rob that store?
I don't know.
We don't need this!
I
We're
don't
not the fucking
know.
desperate. We don't need this shit!
Sokka! We thought it was a good idea at the time, you know? We thought we could, like, sell them back or something. Are they coming?
We're fucked now, okay?
We're fucked!
If the police find us, we are not going to college for real this time. Oh my God.
Wait, hold on. Do you smell that?
No, I don't smell that. What?
You seriously don't smell that?
What? Riri, what is
It's
going on?
everywhere. How can you smell it?
Bryan, can you get the fucking
No,
down,
come
please?
here.
What are you doing? Riri. Riri, what are you doing? What is going on?
Can you just stop for a sec? Just take a second. Do you feel that?
No. Feel what?
It's like there's this immense energy radiating off of all of the plants. And I feel like, I know it sounds crazy, I feel like they're speaking to me. Okay?
Look, Riri, I know you're scared, okay? I'm scared too. But if we don't focus, if we don't focus on what's going on out there, we are going to get caught.
No.
Yes? Hey,
No.
can you snap?
You're not listening. I can feel it. I can feel it everywhere. It's from deep down in their roots. It's this ocean of power and energy that just flows through them and connects all the plants to each other, and then connects the plants to us, and then to every other living thing. It's what's been here since the beginning of the universe, and it's not something we understand or we can comprehend, but it just is. Okay?
Can you snap out of it, please?
No.
You're freaking me out. This
I
isn't
feel
funny.
like my mind is the most clear it's ever been. It's like, why are we worrying about what we did and what's gonna happen to us next? Just look at these plants. They're so peaceful. They don't complain about anything or worry. You know, they just
Of course they
vibe.
don't complain. They're plants.
I know.
Okay? They don't
Metaphorically.
Can we think about the cops outside of there right now, please?
You're not getting it, okay? I know this sounds insane, but there's no good or bad anymore. The events that happen, they just happen. They don't need to hold that weight, you know? And yeah, our actions, they have consequences. And what we did, we're gonna have to pay for that. But we don't have to feel like we're bad people. The only reason we think that is because of the little voice in our heads that tells us that we have to. We can't just accept ourselves, you know, and be compassionate to our experiences. But the plants, they get that. They exist in one single state of being. Enlightenment. You know, and we don't have to listen to that little voice anymore. Okay? We can just ride the wave of life and forget everything else and just fall away into that spiritual vast ocean of energy. And when we do that, we'll know what our place is and we'll never feel worried again. You know?
The fuck? Look, Riri, I don't know what you're saying, okay? And I'm sorry, but I have to go. I can't get caught.
No.
I'm sorry.
It's gonna be okay. Don't go.